So we're gonna play Pixicon 3D. Wee. What are you doing? What are you doing, Con? Going into this bullcrap. Now let's play Clash. Because I don't want to start the beginning. Okay. We're gonna do Clash Royale instead. Pokemon Go. No, not right now. Okay. Let's start. Wait, we're gonna see this replay that Quan did. Let's see who won. If you want me to speed it, leave it in the comment. Cause I am. I'm gonna put it on 2. Okay, right. Jeez, look at that. Really, Quan? Did he really just put a spot on? Come. That giant skeleton's gonna do work deep, but never mind. And he's level 8. Quan uses a witch against the witch. Got him. Quan, you've done like a little bit of damage. Jeez, Quan, what are you doing? Quan is watching this replay with me. Right, Quan? Mm-hmm. Yeah, just like the old times. Why you crying? Why he's always crying? Oh my god, because he almost took my freaking shower. He's so dumb. He could use that zap. Is he? I wonder if he's gonna take a tower. Is he? A Gemalocious! Got it! That is a big push. I wonder if he's gonna get a 2 round. Oh, Gemalocious!